chiropractic adjustments cannot fix a disc herniation. And yes, that was me in the video adjusting somebody's neck. As a chiropractor or a physical therapist, we cannot create the motion needed to help take pressure off of the disc. That's why we need help with technology. Spinal decompression is a specialized table that uses a computer that creates an algorithm to help bring the disc material back into where it belongs. If you're seeing a chiropractor or a physical therapist and you're not getting the results you want, spinal decompression might be the answer. Click on the related video to learn more about spinal decompression.